Alright guys, ModelRocks321 here, back with another video. Today we are in the park, as you can see, so it's going to be some low and slow flights today. We're going to be flying the flying saucer right now on a C60. You've seen this guy fly many times on this channel, and we're going to fly it again here today. Alright guys, here we go. We got the flying saucer going on a C60, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. All right, here we go. We got the mini Big Bertha going on a half A43T. ModelRocks321 going in 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, guys, here we go. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is, and coming down right above us should be good. Right back at the pad pretty much. And stuck the landing back at the pad. So there you go, guys. ModelRocks321 is back. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. That was a nice launch, nice high and straight. It says 300 feet, but I don't know about that. So nice launch of the flying saucer. As one down, stay tuned for a couple more of these low and slow park flyers. All right guys, here we go. We got the Quinn Star going on a C6. No? Oh, we are done. All right guys, so definitely having issues today. This is pretty much a no launch video. You did get you did get the flying saucer, but no go on this. I gotta go back, recheck some things. I'm not sure what the deal is, but it ain't happening. Got a good setup there, good clips are hooked on there. Thanks for stopping by, but we will regroup. We will be back out with another video coming up shortly, another launch video. Something great for you. But today I tried in the park. I tried to do it in the park, but no go. So I'm gonna shut it down. Gotta go back and regroup. So this is a scrub, partial scrub. We did get flying saucer off. ModelRocks321, be sure to check the links below, guys. Also, Estes discount code, IN_321. You see it on the screen right there. Put that in, go put some stuff in your cart and put that code in and get yourself a discount. Tell them ModelRocks321 sent you. They know me over there, we're good friends. So we're out for the day, guys. ModelRocks321, peace. Stay tuned for the lone rocket debriefing. I'll still do a debrief. I'm out.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.
All right, guys. So here we go with some drone footage. This is just the area that I was just launching in, or attempting to launch in. You can see a couple people down there walking off to the right side of the screen. That's the field I was in. There's the parking lot where I park. It's just a small park right where I live, and it's good for, small, low flying stuff. You don't want to go too high here, definitely, because you got trees, you got the freeway. That is the I-10 freeway. The cars you see right there are heading south toward Tucson. The other side is heading, which will be west, and you'll go on towards LA and all that. But I've flown out here several times before, even rockets with parachutes. Over there is like 3 baseball diamonds, all encased or all enclosed with a fence, and there's more trees. There's just more area of the park, but a lot of it's trees, and then it gets into a shopping center and housing, a couple complexes, and there's stuff all back there. I live over that way west, keep heading west. I'm over that way, but really close. So this is kind of the neighborhood. But yeah, around here's more of that same field. And this is just pointing over. There's a splash pad. There's basketball courts. And right there, that's the field I was in. Looking to recover in that area, which today had 0 wind. So I would have landed right in this area. No problem. No doubt about it. It would have been it'd have been great. All low flying stuff. I had all mini engines or engines with the 0 on the end. Pretty much booster engines or whatever. So yeah, just no go. I don't know what's happening, but I'm going to be getting those clips redone because I believe that's the issue. The battery had enough power And it's just for some reason, I'm thinking it's not enough continuity or enough copper touching the metal on those clips. And they keep giving these issues. I got one off the ground. One didn't give any signal. Then the next one did give signal in continuity, but it just wouldn't get the rocket off the ground. But yeah, as you can see here, back over there, I'm parked right there. It's 2 cars next to each other. I'm that silver one. And I'm on the ground right there. You can see me controlling the drone. I was just looking around. I like to fly around and look up and look down. You know, it's good to see from above. I should have went really high to show you guys. Should have shown more, but you get the idea. There's that car leaving. I saw these people. They came with a kid and they were over in the playground area. So right here, I'm just heading back in, about to wrap this up. Yeah, so it was a lot of fun. And I'm just, I think Marcy's in the front seat sitting there waiting on me. And I'm just getting things situated before I go on and land the drone. I usually just, hi guys, same waving hi, got my Jurassic Park t-shirt on. And that's it, guys. So we will catch you on another video. All right, everybody, this is the debriefing for just the one launch. I don't know what kind of disaster of a day this was, but anyway, I did what I could. I really got to get my controller checked. I think the wires need to be resoldered. Something's not right. So I'm going to look into getting those wires resoldered and done correctly. I have, I think, too much solder on there. Something is hindering launches. The controller's still good. It's just something's not right. So I got to get that checked. But other than that, it was still fun to go out there and give you guys at least this one launch. We got some more stuff coming up. More launches coming. Got to get back to those. Got to get back. Just been busy doing other stuff, man. Been busy doing other stuff, but we're going to get back to it. So what you did see was this one flying saucer. Is the old kit from the 80s. Flew on the C60, up and down, came down. There was no wind out there. It's okay now. Right at the pad. It's supposed to land like that, but you see it hit and bounced all over the place. But still a fun day to get out. This was not my original build. I had one of these many years ago. If you've seen me talk about this when I launched it before, you know I had this when I was a kid. But whoever built this one, I always noticed they put this sticker on upside down. I believe it went like that, so the bird, you know, was pointing up like that. So they put it on like that, and they were younger, and I can see they were misaligned here a little bit. But anyway, still flies, still great, great little saucer. And Estes did reissue this in another color, another mold color, which was like a neon green. It's called the Snitch now. So it was flying saucer, if you can find these. It came in like a big package, like a wide and tall package. Nice cover art too. The cover art was really nice. It looked like it was leaving like Area 51 or something. It was a nice cover art. I always remember that illustration. But yeah, so that was today's launch, and you probably saw the other footage of just a drone flying over. That's the area. So we already went over all that. Anyway, appreciate you guys for stopping in and sticking with the channel. Be sure to share the channel. Check the links below. Always Estes discount code. You can use that or pass it on to somebody else if they're getting into the hobby or been in the hobby. My discount code is IN_321. Once you load your card up at Estes, put that code in there and you will get yourself a nice discount, or somewhat of a discount. It helps, you know, anything helps with these rising prices. So catch you guys on another video, and we will see you around. And I'm out.